Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: orchestrate, O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A-T-E, N-Y-E-A-R-N, jabber, J-A-B-B-E-R, utopia, U-T-O-P-I-A. Orchestrate, to play and organize something carefully in order to achieve a desired result. To be exact, to play and organize something carefully and sometimes secretly in order to achieve a desired result. That is what we call it as orchestrate. We do have one more meaning: to arrange or to write a piece of music to be played on orchestra. That is also we call it as orchestrate. Synonyms: organize, arrange, set up, coordinate, compose, blend, concert, harmonize, unify, integrate, put together. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disperse, divide, separate, ignore, disorganize. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they hired a event planner to orchestrate their daughter's wedding. They hired a event planner to orchestrate their daughter's wedding. N, desire strongly, to desire something strongly, especially something difficult or impossible to obtain. That is what we call it as N. One more meaning is there, mom. N, to feel tremendous affection. That is also we call it as N. Synonyms: crave, covet, hunger, want, wish, dream, long desire, be passionate, thirst, pine. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: abjure, dislike, hate, not want, despise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: when my sister was pregnant, all she did was yearn for chocolates and ice creams. When my sister was pregnant, all she did was yearn for chocolates and ice creams. Best example, I think, right? So one more: they yearned over their one and only child. They yearned over their one and only child. Jabber, babble, to speak or say something quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. To speak or say something quickly in a way that is difficult to understand. That is what we call it as jabber. Synonyms: chatter, murmur, gabble, talk on and on, ramble, gibberish, mutter, mumble, nonsensical talk, prattle. All these words can be related to jabber. We call it as blah blah blah, right? Antonyms: speak clearly, hide, be quiet, be silent, conceal. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: don't jabber away when you can say it in a few words. Don't jabber away when you can say it in a few words. Ma clear? Utopia, bliss, the idea of a perfect society in which everyone is happy or works well with each other. That is what the meaning of utopia, ma'am. So it's an idea of a perfect society in which everyone is happy, works well with each other. That is what the meaning of utopia. Synonyms: paradise, ideal place, heaven, wonderland, dreamland, Eden. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hell, underworld, madhouse, place of condemned. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: for foreign stranded people to reach home safely itself became utopia of life. Ma clear? That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.